let's get started with this amazing grilled mole steak and our brand new Allendale savory garlic and mushroom quinoa cup. Let's first prep the mole, which I call a Slender mole since the rich chocolate base comes from now Slender hot cocoa mix made with premium cocoa, monk fruit, and stevia. In a blender, let's add our tomatoes and tomatillos, onions, garlic, pasilla, ancho, and guajillo chilies, as well as whole allspice, cinnamon, cumin, and salt. Finally, let's add our vegetable stock, let's blend until all ingredients are fully combined and the mixture turns into a thick paste. We'll place the chili blend in a pot on medium-low heat and let it reduce for 45 minutes. It's been 45 minutes and the mixture is reduced by 2/3. Let's add our Slender hot cocoa mix and reduce for an additional 15 minutes. Once the sauce is finished, reserve 1 cup of the sauce to glaze the steak later, and the rest we'll use to marinate the steak for at least 1 hour. I'm using 4 6-ounce skirt steaks for this recipe. Let's take our marinated skirt steak and we'll place this on top of a grill at 350 Fahrenheit or a griddle on medium-low heat. Let the steaks cook for about 5 minutes on side 1 and flip and cook for an additional minute on side 2 for about 3 minutes, or until it's cooked to your preference. At this point, let's glaze the steak with the reserved mole sauce and cook for an additional 3 minutes. Once finished, let's place the steak back on a plate and let it rest for about 5 minutes while we prepare our savory garlic mushroom quinoa cups, made with our Allendale Q cups, a convenient ready-to-serve meal replacement or side grain that takes just 5 minutes to make. Add half a cup of boiling water or your favorite warm stock to this cup. Stir, cover, and let it sit for 5 minutes. If you don't have access to hot water, feel free to use cold water and microwave for only 60 seconds. Now the steak is rested and the quinoa is ready. We've already sliced the steak on a bias and we're going to place this right on top of our savory garlic mushroom Q cup. And there you have it. Enjoy.